Some people do not create history. They teach history the meaning of humanity. On the sacred land of Nagpur, a Fakir was born who never sat on throne, never wore a crown. Yet even today, he rules millions of hearts, Hazrat Tajuddin Baba. Hello friends, I am Hemad and warmly welcome you all. In today's episode, we are going to hear the story of a personality who was mysterious, compassionate and deeply spiritual, Hazrat Tajuddin Baba. Friends, this video is not just information about a son. This is a living story of a humanity, love and devotion to God. So make sure you watch this video till the very end and subscribe to our channel. In the year 1861, near Kamthi, close to Nagpur, a child was born into a well-to-do and religious family. He was named Sayyid Muhammad Tajuddin. From childhood itself, he was not like other children. He had no interest in games, no interest in fights or noise, and he would sit alone for hours, silently watching the sky, the trees, and people around him. His mother often said, "This child thinks very deeply." But no one knew that this child would one day become the support of millions. Tajuddin Baba grew up, he was educated, he had job opportunities, he had everything a normal life could offer. Yet one question kept troubling his soul. I have everything, but why is there no peace within? And one day, he left his home without informing anyone, without telling where he was going. And from that day onward, he became a Fakir. On the streets of Nagpur, under trees, at railway stations, people saw a mad Fakir wandering around. People said, "He is crazy." But this so-called crazy man could understand the pain hidden in people's heart. Someone would sit in front of him silently, and tears would start flowing from their eyes. Baba never spoke much. He would simply smile and place his hand on their head. And strangely enough, the problem in people's lives slowly began to disappear. Seeing all this, the British government started feeling uneasy about him. Why are so many people coming to this Fakir? Is he influencing the people? Because of these suspicions, Tajuddin Baba was locked inside a mental asylum. But this is where something extraordinary happened. Doctors said, this man is not mad. He's extremely calm and wise. And after some time, Baba was released and once again, he became one with the soil of Nagpur. Tajbagh in Nagpur became Baba's permanent place. Here, Hindus came, Muslims came, Sikhs, Christians, Parsis, everyone came. Baba never asked anyone about their religion. He used to say, if a person is good, his religion automatically becomes good. And even today, Tajbagh Dargah stands as a symbol of unity and harmony among all religions. In the year 1925, Hazrat Tajuddin Baba left this world. But the truth is, he never really left. Even today, if someone is sad, defeated or broken from within, they go to Tajbagh, close their eyes and return with a lighter heart. Friends, Hazrat Tajuddin Baba teaches us that humanity is greater than religion. Silence is greater than words and love is greater even than God. Friends, if this story touched your heart even a little, please share this video because when such stories spread, humanity stays alive. Do like the video, comment and tell us how you felt. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I will leave now to prepare for the next episode. Until then, keep reading because if you read, you will succeed.